Kulega. I got you. Eh? Swaziland, I see you people. And I love you very much, eh? You hold me how? Me alone. Me alone. Eh? What are you saying? Lokuzana have afro like me. How could it? Hello, South Africa, eh? Ah, it's nice. What? Hunyora Zwaganada. Shona. Eh? I know what this Mafumo. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Hunyora Zwaganada. But I know what it doesn't connect with whatever I'm saying. I know what it means. You must go right nicely. But that's the only thing I can say. Mozambique. What's happening in this world? Eh? I love you, everyone. Everyone. Eh? Yeah, everyone. Everyone. Eh? Hey, this is love, Mose. Yes. Yes. Eh? Siyabonga. Thank you, my people. My God. Cha siyabonga. Siyabonga mpela. Hey. Ngiyayibona president. President's house. Hi. Khululeka. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. Huh? Yes. Kushebile, eh? Hey, mugiyapushuka. Here we are going higher. We are shooting for the stars. Actually, we are shooting for the galaxy, eh? 11K, 11.4. Kodwa bakwethu. What could I have done? So much love. Wow. Just a boy from Lokuzaneni kambe kuphi. Just a boy from Enquthu enzala abantu la abashokobeza. I truly love you. There's even Tanzania, eh? I know ukuthi I can't Lokuza speak Swahili, but I know ukuthi there's Mutoto. Niphe Broso. Kambe kuthiwa. There's a song I know, yes. But it's fine. I can't sing it. But I know what Niphe Broso Mtoto, which is a child. Niphe Broso, give me my brush. As I'm the baba, eh? It's very nice. Hi. Hey, my daughter. 12K.1. I know. This is too much. Ngiyadlala. Here, my daughter. Kunjani makonje? Nigeria. Eh? Nigeria. What can I say? Osofia. Hi. Osofia. Hey, sir. Okay. Utiwan, what are you saying? Eh? Gang. Okay. Yavele ngela ku13. Wow. Kodwa people I truly Lokuzana. I'm truly blessed and anointed. Hi. Sochi. Ngiyadlala people singaze siyimoshe. I'm truly Lokuzana grateful and thankful to everyone who voted and who still rooting for me to do good. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. So kodwa asishe seyivale bakwethu hey mane ukhathala wona kuningi kodwa nina I will never be tired of you because you never got tired of me. It's a us thing. We are here. But yeah, I say vale bakwethu. Wait a man. Wait a man. I see you people. Yeah, no, thank you bafowethu. See you when I see you, but very soon.